Good morning, Archer. Now, dito na kami sa bukana ng pier. Napakadelikado ng area dito, Archer. Kita ko sa inyo, Archer. Yan, Archer. Yan. Yan, papasok kami doon sa looban dyan, oh. Tabi na yan, Archer, oh. Maraming mga baklad, Archer, oh. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Safety lang, Archer. Safety lang lagi. Pakitambay mo na yung angkla mo.
Kape. Let's go.
Eh, kumbya. Ha? Yan, sige. Ah. Okay. Starboard 10. Monitor yung speed mo.
Speed 6.2.
Okay.
6.1.
Okay.
6.1.
Okay.
UPC 10 meters.
Okay. Midship
6.0.
Okay.
Sea brother 5.9.
Okay.
5.8.
Okay. Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Starboard 20 rudder, sir.
Okay.
5.7.
Okay. Okay.
9 meters UPC.
Okay.
5.6.
Okay.
5.5.
Okay. Midship.
5.4.
Okay.
Okay, brother.
Okay.
5.3.
Okay.
5.2.
Low head 2.
Fluid 2. Fluid 2 na sir. 5.1.
Okay.
5.0.
Okay. Okay.
5.1.
Okay.
UPC 6.8.
Okay. Midship.
Another 5.1.
Okay. Ledge low head 2.
Gauge to head 2. Gauge to
Steady.
head 2 sir. 5.1.
Okay.
5.20.
Sambukin mo yung buya, Dong. Napabo, estribor.
4.9.
Okay.
4.9.
Okay.
4.9.
Midship, steady.
4.8.
Steady dong, steady.
4.7.
Okay. Starboard 10. Starboard 20.
4.7.
Eh.
4.6.
Okay. Midship.
4.6.
Okay. Steady.
4.6.
Okay.
4.6.
Okay.
4.5.
Okay.
4.4.
Starboard 10. Starboard 15.
4.3.
Okay. Stop engine.
Stop engine. Stop engine lang sir.
Eh. Sabi walang timon ha. Midship. Steady.
4.4.
Steady. Ditch light port. Starboard.
Bridge to head 4.
Starboard.
Starboard. Line. Starboard lang sir. 4.1.
Hard port.
Hardport brother now.
Ditch low head. Starboard. Slow head starboard.
Go ahead, starboard. Go ahead, starboard na sir.
Ditch low astern port.
Gauge to Western Port. Gauge to Western Port na sir.
Top 2.
Stop to.
Low astern 2.
To Western 2.
Major brother.
To Western 2.
Half astern 2.
Up Western 2.
Full astern 2.
Oras ganito. Oras ganito lang, sir.
Okay, let's go. Duwas, tubig.
Tubig.
Top 2.
Top 2. Top 2 lang, sir.
Okay, finish the wheel. Thank you. Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.